But let's talk about the stock of the moment, which is ITD Cementation. Strong numbers, income growth of 72%, debt levels have come down, and the stock is at a new 52-week high. S. Ramnath, the CFO of ITD Cementation, joins us now to talk about that. Mr. Ramnath, good morning and congratulations on another good set of numbers. I understand that the JNPT fourth terminal order was executed this time, which really led to that good growth in revenues. Tell us whether the revenue growth is sustainable and what could the ballpark growth be for FY17?
Good morning to you both.
Morning.
First of all, this is not a flash in the pan, the performance for this quarter. There have been three underlying objectives, strategies that have defined our business over the last couple of years. One is selective bidding, focus on execution, and focus on cash flow positive projects. And that has started to yield dividends from the last quarter itself. That is one thing. And going forward, I think we should be able to sustain it. That's the first point. Secondly, you asked me a question on the JNP project that we are doing. It is not completed yet. It is going on. It will get over sometime end of next year. That is around November 17 or so. That's the contractual completion date. But yes, that order is going well and executions are going well. And similar, so are other projects also.
Well, therefore, morning, Mr. Ramnath. Street definitely impressed by your numbers, better than all the estimates and polls that we got. You said that this is sustainable and not a flash in the pan. So can we look at 66 crore as the pro rata run rate for the rest of the year, EBITDA?
No, I don't want to just talk about, forecasts and guidance and all that. You know, Lata, project business is different from product businesses. Orders can be lumped in quarters and execution may not be linear over all the quarters. But I think on an overall basis for the current year, we are looking to grow by about 15-20%, as I have said earlier in your channel. And I think our profitability also will move in line with this kind of growth expectations. And with reducing debt levels, and we should be able to working capital, that is further reduction that has happened about 40 crores in this quarter over December. I think there will be a better return to shareholders. That is going to happen.
Yes, that we can see. There is a bigger appreciation that we're seeing in your stock currently. But throw some more color on the order book situation, because currently the order book stands at 5,200 crores. How confident are you of garnering fresh orders in the next, say, 12 months? And what could the quantum of those orders be?
Yeah. Actually, 5,200 was our order book as of December end, and March it is almost at the same level, 5,170 crores. We had fresh order intake of about 977 crores, and our executions were about 1,015 crores. So at the net level, we are around the same level as December end in the order book front. Now going forward, there are several orders, interesting opportunities that we continue to pursue. There are still those large contracts that are in L1 status that have yet not been awarded. Therefore, they have not entered the order book yet. But I think going forward, we are fairly optimistic of having a good inflow of orders this year, which should stand us in good stead for 17 and thereafter.
Levels?
Pardon me?
What's your debt?
Yeah, as of the March end, our consolidated debt is about 560 crores, which was around 600 crores in December. And our standalone debt is about 440 crores in March. But there is also cash, so net of cash, it will be much lower. Debt will be much
have
lower.
you
What
seen
would be the cash?
So cash as of March is about 200 plus crores. Okay. So because we have certain projects where we have managing it differently than the others. So I think on an overall level going forward, I think you will find better return on equity. Although margins may continue to be muted this year, but next year onwards we should get back to normalized margins.
But coming back to your earnings, I wanted to ask you a little bit about the order wins as well. On the metro order that you were going to get awarded, what's the status there now and when will it start to show up in your revenues?
There has been no movement from the on the award front. We are awaiting, and whatever information we have is like what you have.
Okay.
Basically from the papers. So, but we have been told that in the papers we have been reading that some instructions have gone out from the CM to ensure that the awards happen very quickly. So we are all hoping, from the contractors' point of view, all the contractors who have been chosen to be in L1 status, from their side everything is over. So we are awaiting the award of the contract.
We in Mumbai are awaiting, of course, the Metro L. The one order in which you have your JV has a stake L1 position. Even on that, you didn't hear anything.
That is the one I was talking about. The other metros that got awarded elevated, we did not participate.
Point. Thank you very much, Mr. Ramnath. It was a pleasure speaking with you. And that's a confident ITD Cementation management saying that they see a sustainable improvement in their financials.